Hello viewers, if I going to change date of birth on my TikTok account, showing this error cannot change date of birth. Update the TikTok app to edit your birth date. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all, you need to update your TikTok app. So go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search TikTok. Just search for TikTok. From here, update your TikTok app. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now open TikTok. Now go to your profile. Open TikTok settings. Now go to your account. Go to account information and try to change your date of birth and check your problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, then follow next step. Go back to TikTok main settings. Now scroll down. Go to help center. Now tap on chat with us. Here type a message. I cannot change my birth date. After typing this message, now click on send. After sending your message, wait few times and then here you can see edit date of birth. Just click on this option. From here, now change your birth date. Now click on confirm. Again click on confirm. Now see, birthday has changed. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.